Celebrated annually on 5th June, World Environment Day is the biggest international day for the environment. It's a global platform for inspiring positive changes. Led by the UNEP, United Nations Environment Programme, World Environment Day has become the largest global platform for environmental outreach and is celebrated by millions of people across the globe. It is United Nations' principal vehicle for encouraging awareness and action for protection of the environment. Since 1973, when it was first held, this day has become the platform for raising awareness on several environmental issues such as marine pollution, overpopulation, global warming, sustainable development, and wildlife crime. Annually, over 150 countries participate on World Environment Day, wherein the program has provided a theme and forum for businesses, non-government organizations, communities, governments, and celebrities to advocate environmental causes by raising awareness and celebrating environmental action. Through the support of organizations and institutions of power, individuals can act as change agents. These bigger organizations' initiatives have the capacity to influence society and may even secure sustainable consumption and production patterns for decades to come. Each year, World Environment Day is hosted by a different country where the official celebrations take place. The host country for 2022 is Sweden. World Environment Day 2022 will be an opportunity to showcase some of Sweden's pioneering work on the environment over the past 50 years. UNEP will work with Sweden to showcase these innovations through a series of written stories and short videos that will be shared online. 2022 is a historic milestone for the global environmental community. It marks 50 years since the 1972 United Nations Conference on the Human Environment, widely seen as the first international meeting on the environment. The 1972 Stockholm Conference spurred the formation of environment ministries and agencies around the world and kick-started a host of new global agreements to collectively protect the environment. It was also where the goals of poverty alleviation and environmental protection became linked, paving the way for the Sustainable Development Goals. At the Stockholm Conference, the idea of World Environment Day was formalized, with the first one being celebrated in 1973. Only one Earth was the slogan for the 1972 Stockholm Conference. 50 years on, this truth still holds. This planet is our only home. Only one Earth advocates for transformative environmental change on a global scale. The campaign shines a spotlight on climate action, nature action, and pollution action, while encouraging everyone, everywhere to live sustainably. World Environmental Day 2022 is re-energizing the slogan for our planet Earth. It is still a livable planet, and we have to push for transformative actions to reset the balance between people and the natural world to create a better future for all. Sweden aims to achieve net zero emissions by 2045, is a frontrunner in greening its economy, and is rapidly adopting low carbon and renewable infrastructure and technology. The major reason for adopting this year's theme is because of the present emergency situation. Earth at present is facing a triple planetary emergency. Number one, the climate is heating up too quickly for people and nature to adapt. Second is habitat loss and other pressures mean an estimated 1 million species are threatened with extinction. Pollution continues to poison our air, land, and water. Time is running out and nature is in emergency mode. To keep global warming below 1.5 degrees Celsius this century, we must halve annual greenhouse gas emissions by 2030. Without action, exposure to air pollution beyond safe guidelines will increase by 50% within the decade, and plastic waste flowing into aquatic ecosystems will nearly triple by 2040. We need urgent action to address these pressing issues. The way out of this dilemma is to transform our economies and societies to make them inclusive, fair, and more connected with the nature. We must shift from harming the planet to healing it. The good news is the solutions and the technology exists and is increasingly affordable. Truly transformative options towards sustainability need to be available, affordable, and attractive for people to make better daily decisions. Key areas for transformation include how we build and live in our homes, cities and places of work and worship, how and where our money is invested, and what we do for fun. But others of greater magnitude also include energy, production systems, global trade and transport systems, and protection of biodiversity. Many of these options can only be created by larger entities, national and subnational. National and subnational governments, financial institutions, businesses, international organizations, and other organizations with the power to rewrite the rules, frame our ambition, and open up new horizons. Nevertheless, individuals and civil society are pivotal advocates, awareness raisers, and supporters. The more we raise our voices, emphasize what needs to be done, and point out who is responsible, the faster change will come. Keeping in view the same, IIMT College of Management, in collaboration with Institutions Innovation Council, is celebrating World Environmental Day today on 5th June. On this day today, we pledge that we shall join and organize various campaigns to spread awareness about environmental protection. We pledge to take a day off from work and visit our nearby schools and institutions to raise awareness for environment by planting small saplings on barren land. IIMT College of Management, in collaboration with IIC, is planning to visit schools in the month of July and August to teach the students the methods to plant a sapling. The students shall be made aware of the different types of vegetations in which they survive. Also, the students shall be encouraged to bring a sapling from their homes and plant them inside the ground, exposing them to the practical knowledge and creating an emotional attachment for the environment. As the slogan of this World Environment Day, in the universe are billions of galaxies. In our galaxy are billions of planets, but there is only one Earth. Let us protect this one Earth and heal it for our generations to come.